Bring down. Bring down. Bring down means to reduce something, like prices, costs, or numbers. The company brought down prices to attract more buyers. The government is trying to bring down inflation. Exercise can bring down stress levels. Bring down also means to cause someone's fall or defeat. The scandal brought down the politician. The rebels brought down the government. The injury brought down the player. Bring forth. Bring forth. Bring forth means to produce or give birth to something. The new policy brought forth positive results. She brought forth a new idea in the meeting. The tree brings forth fruit in summer. Bring forth also means to cause something to appear or be seen. His speech brought forth many emotions. The crisis brought forth hidden talents in people. The accident brought forth tears from everyone. Bring forth can also mean to give birth, literal. She brought forth a healthy baby. Nature brings forth new life every spring. Cow brought forth a calf. Bring forth can also mean to present or show something. He brought forth evidence in court. The artist brought forth a new masterpiece. She brought forth her passport at the airport. Bring forward. Bring forward. Bring forward means to move something to an earlier time. The meeting was brought forward to Monday. They brought forward the launch date. Can we bring the deadline forward by 2 days? Bring in. Bring in. Bring in means to earn or generate money. His new business brings in a lot of cash. Tourism brings in millions each year. That concert brought in huge profits. Bring off. Bring off. Bring off means to succeed in doing something difficult. She brought off a big victory. It won't be easy, but we can bring it off. He brought off the deal after months of work. Bring on. Bring on. Bring on means to cause something negative. Stress can bring on headaches. The cold weather brought on his illness. Smoking brings on many health problems. Bring on can also mean to introduce or encourage something positive. The coach is bringing on young players. Reading brings on creativity. The teacher brought on a class discussion. Bring out. Bring out. Bring out means to publish or release something. They brought out a new smartphone. The author brought out her first book. The band brought out a new album. Bring out also means to emphasize or make noticeable. That dress brings out your eyes. The training brought out his best skills. Spices bring out the flavor of food. Bring out in. Bring out in. Bring out in means to cause a skin reaction, like rash or spots. Strawberries bring me out in a rash. The medicine brought her out in spots. That soap brings me out in allergies. Bring round. Bring round. Bring round means to persuade or convince someone. I brought him round to my opinion. She brought them round after a long talk. He tried to bring me round, but I said no. Bring up. Bring up. Bring up means to raise a child. She was brought up by her grandparents. He brings up his kids with good manners. They brought up their children in Canada. Bring up also means to mention or introduce a topic. She brought up the issue at the meeting. Don't bring up politics now. He brought up a great idea yesterday. Bring up can also mean to vomit. The baby brought up his milk. He was sick and brought up his dinner. The dog brought up something it ate. Bring up can mean to cause something to appear on a computer screen. Press this button to bring up the menu. He brought up the website on his laptop. Can you bring up the map? Bring up can also mean to improve or increase. He brought up his grades this semester. The team brought up their score in the last minute. The company brought up production levels.